Hello everyone, welcome first year students English section, Faculty of Commerce, Red City University. This is Reem Sobhi. I'm a teaching assistant at Insurance Statistics and Mathematics Department. This is section number 6 on Descriptive Statistics course, chapter 2, Frequency Tables. In this section, we will answer some Excel questions as a practice on Excel program. The first question, a researcher wants to select a random sample of 7 patients from a population of 35 patients. Using Excel for selecting a sample, the statistical technique we have to install is data analysis, data representation, data structure, and data organization. In this question, a researcher wants to take a random sample consists of 7 patients only. So the size of the sample equals to 7. And this from a population of 35. So the population equals to 35 and the sample is 7. And he wants to use the Excel to make this process or this selection. So he should first add a statistical technique for the Excel program in order to make this selection. And this statistical technique is data analysis. Another question, from the file tape, we choose from the list to add any tool. In the Excel program, if I want to add any tool, I should go to the file tape and then choose options to add any tool I need to use in Excel. So if we have to add any tools or instructions, we should go to the file tape from the tabs we have in the Excel window and then choose options in order to add any tool. So the correct answer is options, which is C. From the appeared window called data analysis, we choose the tool to select a sample. As we just said, in order to make or to select a random sample using Excel, we will use a statistical technique that's called data analysis. By choosing the data analysis technique or tool, a window open like this called data analysis. After that, you can use an analysis tool, which is sampling, that will help you to select a sample from a population. So the correct answer is sampling, and this is B. Another question, to deal with qualitative data, either nominal or ordinal, using Excel, each class of the qualitative variable must be given. In order to make any statistical analysis on data entered in the Excel program, and this data is a qualitative data, nominal or ordinal, you should transform this data in another shape so the Excel can understand what operation do you want to make or what analysis do you want the Excel to make. And this transformation is coding the data, and so the qualitative variable classes must be given a numeric codes in order to make any analysis or any statistical analysis on these data. You would like to make a frequency table for a given data using Excel, and you given in this example a marital status data for 15 individual, and you would like to represent these data or organize these data in a frequency table. The first step in order to organize these data in a frequency table, you should do rank data, rearrange data, coding data, filtering data. The first step is to code data. We just said that in order to make any statistical analysis on a qualitative data, you should transform these data into a numeric codes so the Excel can understand and make any analysis. So we will transform these data into a numeric way. So this process is called coding data. The second step is to determine, after coding data, the second step is to determine the variable classes, the variable type, the variable frequency, the number of variables. The second step after coding all data or qualitative data we have on Excel, the second step is to determine the variable classes. So the Excel can understand what are the classes of the variable. As just coding data is not enough for Excel to understand and to make a frequency table for you. So first you should coding the data and gives a numeric codes for all the qualitative data, and then the second step is to identify or determine the variable classes for the Excel. Then the third step is to choose the tape, review, data, insert, view. The third step is to go to the data tape and choose this tape in order to complete the process of making the frequency table. So again, the first step is to code the qualitative data. Second step is to determine or clarify the variable classes for the Excel. The third step is to go to data tape, so you can choose the statistical technique that you will use in order to make the frequency table. The fourth step, to make the frequency table from the data tape. After going to the data tape, you should use a statistical tool, and this tool is called data analysis, data representation, data structure, data organization. This tool is called data analysis. So the statistical tool that will make any statistics, any descriptive statistics, either frequency tables or sampling or regression or whatever you need in this data, you should use the data analysis tool, and you can find this tool in the data tape. So first, coding data. Second, determine the variable classes. Third, you go to data tape. Fourth, you choose the data analysis tool or technique. After that, choosing the analysis tool that you need to apply on these data. And in our example here, we are going to make a frequency table, or he's asking you to make a frequency table. So from the appeared window that called data analysis, we choose the tool in order to make a frequency table. So after coding and determining variable classes and then go to data tape and choosing data analysis, after that a data analysis window which looks like this graph in front of you, then you choose the analysis tools from the data analysis, and the analysis tools that makes the frequency table is histogram. So the analysis tool in the data analysis technique is histogram that makes the frequency table. And this is different from sampling that helps you to select a simple random sample from a population given in an Excel. Thank you for watching this video and sharing your time with us. See you at the next video. Good luck.